Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to customize quick access toolbar in Outlook. So very simple and basic way. Click on this drop down. Here you can select any feature which you want to use in quick access toolbar like print. So select it. Forward. You want to remove anything, so uncheck. So this is the basic and easy way to customize quick access toolbar in Outlook. Thanks for watching and please comment on this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.